she don't know. Gotta get mine, whoa. Gotta get mine.
When I was 6, I received my 9s as a birthday gift. And Lord, if you see my 9s, it's enough to make it. My mama never tell me police would arrest me, even though I said don't make a man try to warn me. The hypocrites for me, recruit me to the army. Tell me I found out this thing by my lonely.
That's crazy, right?
Ripples there.
Huh?
As you pull the trigger, it pulls back.
Can be loading it.
It says forward, single action, cock it back to the thumb first.
Round
You
2.
don't have to touch it until you go forward. It will be easy to do balance. Make sure you guys keep your finger off the trigger so you're on target ready to shoot, and make sure you don't point the gun anywhere but downrange. Even after you're done, set it on the bench, shoot it point down with it. You guys have any questions? Let me know. You have one.
What's that, like 15 feet?
Aim it and hold it, Mickey. Hold it. Are you aiming?
Back on that. It's crazy. I don't think I hit it off.
I don't think so. I think you were shooting up. You kept going up with it.
Yeah.
Come on. Tell that thing.
That's crazy.
No, I'm taking it down.
You still recording? Oh, my angry Mexican. I missed you with the shotgun. Oh. That goes Dave's target. the 7th shot?
No, that was the last 5 bullets I had.
Ah. Alright.
That's what I'm gonna do.